Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
So, Pete, most of that snow we saw is kind of making its way out of here, but you have your hands full in the weather department today, right? With Christmas Day coming and potential another storm on the way.
A potential storm post-Christmas,
right,
which I'll talk about in just a second. First, though, one lingering band of snow to get through, Danielle. You can see that on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, represented by the blue. I'll take you a little bit closer, and you can see around the New Bedford area along 195 and even down towards Little Compton, some bands of snow pushing through. It will be primarily a dusting, maybe an inch from the southeastern shore of Rhode Island up through the East Bay and perhaps into areas like Attleboro. Visibilities may drop briefly as a few of these snow showers push through, and then that will be it. We'll get a break from these snow showers for a couple of days. So clear skies for Santa. Now, that brings us to that post-Christmas storm that we've been talking about. There are still many things to iron out. Now, the timing right now looks we're pretty confident in that, Sunday night into Monday. But right now, we're still not certain about how much it will snow and where the storm will set up. One of our computer models is actually pushing it out east of us, which would just clip us with a little bit of snow. Another model, though, is generating a very intense snowstorm over the area. And it's also possible that we could mix in some rain. So just stay tuned. We'll continue to sort of get the details down. Our models can often flip back and forth when we're in a situation like this. And that's what they're doing right now. So we'll keep you posted here. As we look at our snowfall totals from last night, Mansfield, 3.5 inches. Taunton, about 3.5. 2 in Acushnet. Woonsocket, just over 1. Warren, 1 inch. And Cumberland, 2.5 inches. So, you know, the amounts have varied, especially up in northern Rhode Island. Over Providence right now, we're not seeing anything significant in the way of snow. Temperature is 36 degrees. Those winds are out of the northwest at 14 miles an hour. We got a nice break from those nasty winds as we go into tomorrow. Much needed for many of us that are doing some last-minute Christmas shopping. All right, temperatures in the mid-30s. A few places hovering close to freezing. As we drop below freezing overnight, any lingering moisture on the road will tend to freeze, so just use caution if you're out there driving. Here's that stubborn center of low pressure, a few waves of snow showers to get through this afternoon. Finally, we knock this out of the way tomorrow, and that will bring in some sunny skies. As for this afternoon, a few snow showers are possible between about now and, say, 2:30 or 3 o'clock, temperatures in the mid-30s. And again, the chance increases the further east you go of Providence. Here's our futurecast. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the blue representing the chance of snow showers. But you could see as we go into the 5 o'clock hour, most of us shutting off the precipitation, perhaps a little bit of lingering snow out towards the Cape and maybe even mixing in with a little bit of rain. And then overnight, watch what happens. The clouds break up, and that sets up a nice sunny day as we head into Friday. So keep in mind, this accumulation map is adding up everything from last night through this morning through this afternoon. Most of us getting about a dusting to an inch from Providence down to Newport up into northwestern Rhode Island. 1 to 3 is possible from extreme northeastern Rhode Island into eastern Massachusetts, but most people will stay between the 1 and 2 inch mark. Taking a look at our temperatures for this afternoon, mid-30s with mostly cloudy skies and that blustery wind from the northwest. And again, a few early afternoon snow bands are possible after that. We push those out. Taking a look at eastern Massachusetts, a few snow showers will linger as well. And then Christmas Day, not a bad-looking one. 23 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock, 34. Santa seems to be a huge fan of that Christmas Day forecast. The question is, does he like the Sunday night into Monday forecast? He probably does. He likes
snow. Relaxing at that point, right?
That's true. Still watching that storm. The time frame would be Sunday night into Monday. Many details to iron out. But there is a possibility of a pretty big storm here in southern New England, so we'll keep you updated on that.
Yeah, so bottom line is make sure everybody stays tuned to future forecasts throughout the weekend.
Exactly.
Right?
You have that down.
You'll be working. All right.
I will.
Thanks, Pete.